Hey guys, so I haven't made a video in a few days and there is a reason behind it. I went to the ER on Monday. My port has eroded through my skin and the ER doctor did a consultation with vascular surgery, but she didn't tell him what was really going on. So she did no blood work. All she did with it was an x-ray to make sure that my port placement was in the right spot. I think she told him that I did not have any vascular access, which was not why I was in there. I was in there because I had a hole in my chest. Anyway, she sent me home, and she sent me home with a referral to a general surgeon, and instead I called the University of Surgical Associates and asked for the surgeon who originally put my port in, and he's on a 3-week leave. He's on vacation. I don't know what he's doing. So another doctor is taking his patients. Since I'm really not his patient, I really don't have a vascular surgeon. He took me, and as soon as he looked at it, so it's got to come out. We'll put a new one on the other side. Well, as you can see where the old one was, he's put 3 stitches in, and there's a little bit of a gap there, and it is bleeding. I'm hoping, though, that it will stop and it will heal. It has stopped. It's not fresh blood. I have not started back up my Xarelto because I do know that he had a hard time getting this to stop bleeding. This side is very, very swollen. It has extremely went down a whole lot. I've been keeping ice and cold packs on it. They had accessed it and sent me home with it accessed. Last night at some point, though, I gave myself some Phenergan. Well, Phenergan, when you go through a port, does not hurt, does not sting, does not do anything. Even with you having, even though I had mixed it with saline solution, a lot of times I don't do it if I'm running it with IV fluids. I don't do it because I'm doing a push and I'm having IV fluids run at the same time. But I went ahead and I did it with it being a new port. Anyway, it burnt, and then when I lay down, I had fluids running up around both sides of my neck, and at that point I knew that my port needle, my Huber needle, had infiltrated. I took it out and I looked at the dressing, and I decided that I would clean it up and I would reaccess my port. I was able to hit the port. It went in. The swelling pushed it right back out. So I left it out. I'm not going to try it tonight because I do still have a little bit of swelling, and I'm hoping by tomorrow the swelling will be down enough that I can actually feel the port myself. I was kind of going in blindly last night according to where the previous needle was, and so I'm hoping by tomorrow the swelling will be down enough that I'll be able to feel the new port, and I'll be able to reaccess it. But right now I can't, because it's not going to do any good. It's just going to push the Huber needle out, and there's no point in trying to keep reaccessing it and possibly causing infection, since it is a new port and it does have, it is still trying to heal. So that is where I've been, and that's probably why you're not going to see me on very much, because it is very painful and I've just been doing nothing but trying to recover, and my laptop is kind of heavy, and with the first one I knew it was really, really painful, And so now that I've been opened up on both sides, it's painful. And I had to wait for my husband to come home for me to change. He had to help me, and so right now I'm just taking it completely easy. You guys can find me on Instagram. You can find me on here, Twitter, whatever. And I will respond, but as far as probably any more videos right now, probably not going to be any until I start really feeling a whole lot better. But I hadn't made any in a while, and so I thought I'd give you guys like a quick update on what's going on with me. So comment, like, subscribe, and I will keep you guys updated. Probably not on the computer, maybe just like a quick cell phone update maybe. But you guys have a good night, and I'm not going to say I'll see you tomorrow because I honestly don't know when. My Crohn's just kind of kicking up, so, you know, with all this, there's always something else. And with the inability of being able to take my IVs over and everything, it has made my life just a little bit miserable, but I'll get past it. So you guys have a good night, and like, subscribe, comment, whatever, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.